Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. Charred shrimp and avocado salad. Turn up the tropical vibes with pineapple, avocado, and shrimp. Avoid the dreaded 3 p.m. slump by filling up on this refreshing, protein-packed lunch. Ingredients: 2 1/2 pounds large peeled and devine shrimp, 5 tablespoons olive oil, kosher salt, pepper, 1/2 small pineapple, peeled, trimmed and sliced 1/2 inch thick, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1/2 small red onion, thinly sliced, 1/2 English cucumber, sliced into half moons, 1/2 bunch Upland watercress, 1 avocado, quarter. Directions: 1. Toss shrimp with 2 tablespoons oil and 1/2 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Heat grill pan, grill, or broiler. Brush pineapple with 1 tablespoon oil. Grill or broil in batches on rimmed baking sheets until pineapple is slightly charred and shrimp are opaque throughout, about 3 minutes per side on the grill or 6 to 8 minutes in broiler, rotating pan and turning food over halfway through. If desired, set aside half of shrimp for the no-cook shrimp rolls and refrigerate until ready to use. 2. Meanwhile, in large bowl, whisk together lemon juice, remaining 2 tablespoons oil and 1/4 teaspoon each salt and pepper. Toss with onion. 3. Cut grilled pineapple into smaller pieces. Add to bowl with onion along with cucumber and shrimp and toss to combine. Fold in watercress and avocado. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you're always updated whenever we upload new videos. Check the descriptions below for a list of our favorite products that we highly recommend. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.